Lucy 语言家教。
Do you like to do it in the morning or the evening? Do you do it alone or with somebody else? Hot, warm, or cold? Maybe you don't even do it. So sad. Lucy, for instance, she never does it. She swears by a warm bubble bath even during hot summers, rather than a quick, cool shower, which is what we're talking about today. But let's not get into those details right now. Intimate questions about your shower habits can wait until another time. For right now, let's just focus on one basic question. Do you shower in the morning when you wake up? Or do you shower at night before you go to sleep? And which is better? Everybody has their preference and a corresponding list of reasons why they like an AM or PM shower best. When it comes to medical research, it's another story. We don't have enough data about AM versus PM showers to say which is better. And maybe in the end, it really doesn't make much difference. Even without hard scientific facts, there are a lot of opinions and common sense ideas about morning versus evening showers that are worth considering. So let's jump into the shower, soap up, rinse off, and see what's the deal with AM versus PM showering. She's like a fresh, beautiful flower. That's how Lucy wakes up. But me, I'm like a zombie when I wake up. I need a jolt of water each morning to help me come back to the land of the living. That's how most Americans feel too. Morning showers are by far the most popular in the USA. The average American takes one shower each day, and that shower is usually in the morning. There's also something to be said for the relationship between morning showers and hair. In America, with all those freshly doused noggins, I don't see bedhead on my walk to work each morning. If you have to look your best during the day, then a morning shower will do more than conquer slept-on hair. It'll also relieve an oily face by clearing facial pores. Evening showers also help keep the skin clean by washing away dirt and oil that built up during the day. If you don't wash it off, it'll rub off on your bed sheets while you're sleeping. Gross. Showering before hitting the hay will keep your sheets cleaner for longer. If you work long hours under the sun, you're going to want to wash all that sweat off before going to bed so it doesn't cause skin problems. When is the best time to shower? Like the answer to so many of the world's big questions, the answer is, it really just depends. For many people, a morning shower can wake you up and boost creativity. On the other hand, a lot of people enjoy a relaxing evening shower as a good way to drift off into a peaceful slumber. How often do you shower? And when do you shower? Are these your own showering habits, or do you follow what your parents taught you? One last thing, from me and Lucy to you, happy showering.